Hey everybody, Sean and Allison here from Spoken Garden. Today, we're gonna clean up our yard after one of our storms moved through, and we're gonna clean up a few other things too.
Yeah, it's a little cold out here, but we really want to get outside for just a little bit. But before we get into that, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below so you don't miss out on every daily video.
So guys, we're outside. We had a storm move through the last couple of days, and especially yesterday, lots of rain. As you can imagine, Pacific Northwest, right? But you can see down here in the grass, we've got a whole bunch of fir cones that just dropped out of the tree from the high winds we had. And there's a few twigs and branches here and there. And so another thing we're gonna do today, besides pick all that up and reestablish and get our grass back in order here, is reestablish this edge of our grass. You can see some of the mulch has moved out from there from various activities from us and from maybe some of the squirrels and raccoons and things. So we've got a little bit of work to do there. We've also got some hoses over here. We need to put our hoses away. We haven't put our hoses away yet. And so, yeah, out of sight, out of mind, we're gonna get to it.
We also have a lot of leftover supplies from our wreath and swag making. So we're gonna get rid of all of this. We actually have more over there as well. So you're gonna see us in the video just cleaning up a lot of little areas of our yard. So ready to get to work?
I'm ready to do this. You ready to do this?
All right, we got it done, you guys. It's always gonna have this kind of dirt area. Like, we are gonna be reseeding our whole lawn next, what, spring, probably?
Yep, coming spring, we've got microflow.
Yeah, gonna redo that again.
We're gonna redo this whole area.
So that's gonna be great. And we got all the hoses cleaned up, so we're gonna show you guys where we're storing those for the winter.
So here we are, there's the hoses. It's a temporary situation right now because what we're gonna do is we're gonna put a little table right across here, but I already went and put the hook screw right there into this post. So we'll move it over here later. But right now this is great and it's out of the way, it's up, the hoses can drain, it's awesome. So you saw us clean up our yard and we got all those cones up, we got some debris up, and we moved the hoses. Pretty cool. We've been meaning to do that for quite a few weeks now.
It's like all these little tasks that we just have been putting off. So we're like, we're just gonna do it all one day. So it felt good.
So guys, you know, this is a good point for us to tell you guys to get outside if you can. If it's safe, if it's warm enough, get outside, get some fresh air. We know we enjoy it and it's really a benefit. Helps us clear our minds, keep our hands busy. It's just healthy.
No, it feels it's so cold, but it feels so good to be out here and just listen to all the nature and take care of our garden.
Yep, get that fresh air, it's nice. So guys, leave us your comments and questions down below for us. We love hearing from you. Give us that thumbs up, let us know we're doing a good job, and subscribe to our channel so you get updates on our latest videos.
And we'll be back tomorrow, but tomorrow's Wednesday, which means it's our Wednesday live, and we'll be live at 3 o'clock Pacific. We're talking about holiday plants. So a mix of indoor and outdoor plants, so mostly indoor though. Yeah. But that'll be fun. We're looking forward to it, and we hope to see you there. So come join our chat, say hi, and hang out for a little bit tomorrow at 3 o'clock.
See you tomorrow, everybody.
Bye, everybody.
Bye-bye.